Hi guys, we're going to talk today about cola and any soft drink, diet or not diet. Uh, what the damage they cause this kind of drinks, pops and others. There are many studies that prove that this drink can give hurt our health because they contain a lot of huge amount of sugar and caffeine, which lead to weight gain, increase our weight, also increase our heartbeat. Also, for patient with diabetes, it's increase the sugar in the blood, which worsen their sickness. So it's lower calcium absorption because it got citric acid, which united with calcium, so it's prevent from absorption the calcium which is in the food, so it doesn't reach calcium won't reach the blood and the bone, lower the bone density. Also, it lower the iron absorption because it contains the caffeine, which increase the anemia diseases between children and teenager. It could also for kidney ruin the kidney because it increase protein in the urine. It lead to renal failure. Also, it's lower the men fertility because it cola is damage the sperms. The only good thing about this cola and any soft drink is help with digestion and lower the constipation. Also, it's lower our appetite. So that's the only thing good about it. But anything else, it's ruin all our health systems, from bone to heart, to liver to kidney. So we have to avoid it for sure. And we drink only water. Water is the best. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, share and like, and see you next video.